One nation, one election is a very important issue for the nation. It's not for the party or any individual. It's for the country. Today, when the bill for one nation, one election will be introduced, I hope the country will see how Congress plays a negative game. When India got the independence, for 2 decades, India had one nation, one election. It is only after Congress misused Article 356, dismissed the state government, there were some snap polls, then only there were different elections between parliament and some of the states. Otherwise, the country began for 2 decades with one nation, one election. Does Congress mean to say that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's government for so long was illegal? Because that time it was one nation, one election. So Congress should say that all the Congress governments were illegal. Secondly, one nation, one election is a thing which the country feels that time has come. We are in the democracy to serve the nation. Does Congress mean that the country should keep on conducting election months after months after months and for 5 years? We must understand that we hold elections to serve the country. We hold election to serve the people of this country. And we need a 5-year period which is determined by the Constitution of India. So Congress doesn't understand the basic sense. See, you have to understand one thing. For more than 6 decades, Congress had the opportunity to rule this country. They reduced this country to a developing poor nation. Now country is progressing under the leadership of Modi ji to become a Viksit Bharat, fully developed Bharat. Thus Congress wants to scuttle the effort of this journey. So Congress time is over. The new India is looking forward for Viksit Bharat by 2047. So Congress should not come in the way of developed India by 2047. Country needs one election and one nation. The entire country has to move together. See, you have to understand one thing. Congress formed 2 times government in 2004 and 2009. That was only through EVM machine only. All these Congress MPs questioning the EVM, they are got elected through EVM machine only. All these Congress MPs got elected through EVM machine, not ballot. So does Congress mean that they got elected, through undemocratic means or faulty machine? See, Congress has no issue left. And they want to just play politics. People of this country know Congress party very well, and now it is not going to, play in the hands of Congress tricks. Congress, all tricks won't work now. No, I don't want to make comments on this thing because one must understand that we must be always India first, not any other country or people of any other country first. India must be first for every Indian.
भारतर एकमात्र परीक्षित बायोसार पृथ्वी प्रो माटी को रखे सुस्थ दिए नुआ जीवन धान पनीपरिबा और डाली जातीय फसल पाई लाभदायक अमल बढ़ाए रोग कमाए आज ही जमी रे प्रयोग करंतु जोगाजोग पाई 9937054201 नंबर को डायल करंतु आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमको लाइक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in